Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new visitor, this channel consists of tutorial videos, print-on-demand business, RedBubble tutorials, and much more learning videos. So if you are interested in growing an online business, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell, so you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video.
Is RedBubble a good site to earn unlimited money? Like in any business, it depends on the amount of work you put in. If you think you can make an insane amount of money, just slapping a few designs on a product and leave at that, you will be strongly disappointed. To start making money on RedBubble or any art licensing sites, you need to create a lot of designs, regularly, and promote yourself and your shop day in and day out. On all social media, in person, on a blog. The money is not going to come flowing in without effort, and certainly not in an unlimited amount. RedBubble is not a substitute for hard hustling and dedicated hard work. It's just a convenient platform where, as an artist, you don't have to worry about inventory keeping, manufacturing, and shipping, and can keep focusing on creating more art. It's a good place to start carving yourself a name as an artist, but not an end goal in itself. Look at all the super popular artists on those platforms, follow them on social media. Read their blogs, and you will realize that their income from RedBubble is just one income stream among many, and that they keep on creating and keep on striking partnership deals. None of them sit by the pool sipping cocktails doing nothing while the passive income rolls in. They still actively work 8 to 10 plus hours a day, speak at conventions, network, sign deals, attend lectures, workshops, and work some more.